Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create barcodes using Google Sheets via the pdf.co application and then upload those generated barcodes to Dropbox account using Zapier. So Zapier is basically a tool that allows you to integrate multiple applications and perform repetitive tasks. So let's see how to do this. So you have to click create Zap first. In our case, we will have three applications. The first one will be Google Sheet, the second one will be pdf.co, and the third one will be Dropbox. So you click plus here. So you have three applications, 1, 2, and 3. Here you have to specify your Google Sheet application. So we select Google Sheets. The trigger event is that whenever a new spreadsheet row is added, we want to generate a barcode and upload that barcode to Dropbox. So we select new spreadsheet row as trigger event, click continue. Here you have to select your Google Sheet account. Click continue. You have to select the spreadsheet. So in our case, I will be selecting this spreadsheet. You will have your own spreadsheet which you can select. And the worksheet is form responses 1. Click continue. Now we will see if Zapier can access our Google Sheet account or not. So you have to click test trigger. You can see that a spreadsheet row has been found in our spreadsheet. So click continue. Now we want that whenever a new row is added in spreadsheet, we will be using pdf.co application to convert the data from that row into a barcode. So you have to select pdf.co. The event will be barcode generator, which is here. Click continue. Here you have to specify your pdf.co account. Click continue again. Here you have to specify the barcode value. So we want that whenever a new row is added, from that new row, we will select some values and convert them to barcode. So in our spreadsheet, this is our spreadsheet. We have we have one row at the moment, and we will be only converting the name column values to a barcode. So whenever a new row will be added, the value added in the name column will be converted to a barcode via pdf.co. So here we specify name. Then you have to specify the barcode type to generate. So I'll be generating this one. You can specify any other type if you want. And we can leave the rest of the parameters as default and click continue. So we will test our trigger to see if the barcode is actually generated. The test was successful. If you want to see your newly generated barcode, you can go to this link. So this is the barcode that has been generated. We want to upload this barcode to Dropbox. So for that, you have to click this plus sign here to add another application. So you will be shown this. Your Zap is ready at the moment because it performs one application of converting Google Sheet to PDF. But we want to add another application, that is the generated barcode should be uploaded to Dropbox. So for that, you have to click back to setup. Choose Dropbox here. Action event will be upload file. Click continue. Here you have to select your Dropbox account. Click continue again. You have to select your folder that will be storing your uploaded file. So I will select one of the folders in my Dropbox account. So I select custom dataset folder. So if I open this folder, you can see it is empty right now. Here you have to specify the link to the file that you want to upload. So in our case, we will be uploading the barcode generated in application 2 in step 2. So we'll select barcode generator in pdf.co and we will select this one, the first one, name. By the way, this is also the name of the file here. So you can also simply copy and paste this link there, and the other option is to select the values from the previous step. If you want, you can overwrite the existing file by clicking yes. Here you have to specify the output file name. So the output file name that we specify is same as the name of the column. So it is name. You can add any other uh, file name if you want. And the extension is PNG. And finally, you can click continue. To test if file is actually uploaded, you have to click test and continue button. So this is the folder where our file will be uploaded. This is the input file. This will be the output file name, and this is the extension of the output file name. So click test and continue. And you can see this trigger is also successful. So if we go back in our Dropbox account, you can see the newly uploaded file here, which is bytescode.png as we mentioned. So this is how you can convert a row from your Google Sheets to PDF, and then sorry, to barcode, and then upload that barcode to Dropbox. Thank you for watching this video.